मैं आज तक नॉमिनेट एक ही बार हुआ हूँ आईफा में। ये तो मैं आज घर ही लेके जा रहा हूँ साथ में। कभी मिला नहीं मुझे आईफा अवार्ड, लेकिन आई थिंक इट्स द मोस्ट प्रेस्टिजियस, वन ऑफ द मोस्ट प्रेस्टिजियस इंटरनेशनल अवार्ड है। और लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड, उनके नॉर्मल विनर्स जो वो चूज़ करते हैं वेरी जेन्युइन एंड करेक्ट।
एंड इसके अलावा अगर हम बेगम जान की बात करें तो हर किसी को पसंद आ रही है, और आपका जो किरदार है वो भी लोगों को बहुत ही पसंद आ रहा है, तो क्या कहना चाहेंगे आप
शुक्रिया। मुझे
के बारे में? और
मेरी बीवी हमेशा मुझे कहती थी कि मेरे अंदर एक बहुत बड़ा शैतान छुपा हुआ है, और फाइनली मुझे वो दिखाने का मौका मिल गया सबको।
So 2016-17 में काफ़ी बेहतरीन मूवीज आई है, तो आपकी फेवरेट कौन सी रही है?
मुझे पिंक बड़ी अच्छी लगी थी, मुझे ऐ दिल है मुश्किल अच्छी लगी थी, खुद की पिक्चर तो बहुत अच्छी लगी थी, हाउसफुल 3 आई एम जोकिंग, अच्छी पिक्चर थी। बट आई गेस आईफा में आज पता चलेगा कि सब तो यहाँ, इसलिए मैं कहता हूँ आईफा में वोटिंग होती है, फिल्म इंडस्ट्री की वोटिंग होती है, विच आई थिंक इज़ अ गुड सिस्टम एंड अ गुड वे ऑफ डूइंग इट। लोग एक्साइट हो जाते हैं और अवार्ड होता है, लेकिन आई फील इट इज़ मोर लाइक अ सेलिब्रेशन ऑफ आर इंडियन सिनेमा। दैट इज़ व्हाट आईफा इज़।
ओके, चंकी जी, आपके अनुसार इस साल का बेस्ट एक्टर मेल और बेस्ट एक्टर फीमेल का अवार्ड आईफा की तरफ से किसे जाना चाहिए?
मीन्स चंकी पांडे को छोड़ के? आई एम जोकिंग। अच्छा, किसको जाना है यार? मैं वहाँ सीक्रेट बैलेट वोट करके आया हूँ। अभी मैं पूरे हिंदुस्तान दुनिया के सामने बोलूँ मैंने किसके लिए वोट किया? नॉट फेयर। बट मेरे सबसे फेवरेट एंड सिंस अ चाइल्ड हैज़ बीन अमिताभ बच्चन। एंड मुझे लगता है जो पिंक में उन्होंने जो परफॉर्मेंस दी है, आउटस्टैंडिंग। ओफ बाय गॉड। चलो, आपको पता चला मैंने किसके लिए वोट किया। इट्स अमिताभ बच्चन फॉर पिंक। या
नीरजा को और अक्षय कुमार सोनम कपूर को नेशनल अवार्ड दिया गया, उसके बारे में क्या कहना चाहिए?
They are so lucky and well-deserved awards. Yes, fantastic. Congratulations, Akshay and Sonam. Okay जी, मैं चलूँ? कॉफ़ी किधर है? चलो।
मेरे लिए आईफा आई थिंक बहुत स्पेशल है बिकॉज पिछले साल आईफा ऑनर्ड मी विद द बेस्ट डेब्यू अवार्ड, तो वो मेरे ज़िंदगी का सबसे वन ऑफ द मोस्ट हैप्पीएस्ट मोमेंट्स था। तो आईफा मेरे लिए बहुत स्पेशल है एंड इस बार न्यूयॉर्क में हो रहा है, तो आई थिंक मैं वही कह रहा था कि न्यूयॉर्क में जितने हिंदुस्तानी हम यहाँ देखेंगे उतने ही शायद न्यूयॉर्क में भी हमें दिखेंगे, और जो जो हिंदुस्तानी नहीं है, जो फॉरेनर्स हैं, वो भी आई थिंक जो बॉलीवुड पसंद करते हैं वो सबसे ज़्यादा आई थिंक न्यूयॉर्क में दिखेंगे। तो आई थिंक इट्स ग्रेट दैट इट्स हैपनिंग इन न्यूयॉर्क एंड आईफा बॉलीवुड के लिए वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट सेलिब्रेशंस है बॉलीवुड के लिए। सो आई थिंक इट्स फैंटास्टिक एंड आई एम सुप्रीमली एक्साइटेड।
और इस बार के लिए क्या कुछ स्पेसिफिक प्लान होने वाला है आपका, और क्या कुछ धमाका करने वाले हैं?
मैं धमाका क्या करूँगा?
स्पेसिफिक प्लान या कुछ?
देखिए, मेरे लिए, मैं इतना नया हूँ कि मेरे लिए आईफा का हिस्सा होना, उस पूरी इतने बड़े चकाचौंध का हिस्सा होना, वो मेरे लिए बहुत खास है। तो यू नो कि वो मेरे लिए ऑनर है कि इन सारी चीज़ों का मैं हिस्सा बन पा रहा हूँ। तो न्यूयॉर्क जाने के लिए बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ, आईफा का हिस्सा होने के लिए बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ एंड आईफा के परफॉर्मेंसेस जो होते हैं, लाइव परफॉर्मेंसेस, वो वन ऑफ द बेस्ट होते हैं। सो इन सब चीज़ों के लिए मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ।
इस साल का बेस्ट एक्टर और बेस्ट मेल फीमेल किसे चाहिए कि आईफा किसे मिले?
मैंने एक्चुअली वोट कर दिया। वो पहले बताते तो मैं पहले ही आपको बता के निकल जाता, मैं वोट ही नहीं करता। नहीं, मैंने वोट कर दिया। आई हैव अ कपल ऑफ फेवरेट्स बिकॉज आई थिंक दिस ईयर वी सॉ वन ऑफ द फाइनेस्ट परफॉर्मेंसेस, चाहे वो शाहिद का हो उड़ता पंजाब से, या रणबीर का हो ऐ दिल है मुश्किल, टू इवन कपूर एंड सन्स हैड सम फैंटास्टिक एंसेम्बल परफॉर्मेंसेस। सो माय फिंगर्स आर क्रॉस्ड एंड देखते हैं अब किसको मिलता है। मेरे काफ़ी फेवरेट्स थे। रमन राघव तो अब पता नहीं, बट रमन राघव आई एम वेरी प्राउड ऑफ द फिल्म एंड आई थिंक नवाज सर का उसमें काम बहुत 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 कमाल का था। आई ऑलवेज गेट इंस्पायर्ड एंड अनुराग सर एंड एवरीवन, सो इट्स रियली स्पेशल फॉर मी। बाकी इट्स ऑडियंस चॉइस, इट्स द प्रेरोगेटिव ऑफ द टीम विच होल्ड्स द अवार्ड। तो बाकी अवार्ड्स के लिए कम, आई मीन वो खुशी के लिए ज़्यादा फिल्में बनती हैं, उसके बाद में जो ज़्यादा डिजर्व करता है उसको फिल्म अवार्ड मिल जाता है।
सो ये साल काफी बेहतरीन मूवीज आई हैं।
हाँ जी।
आपकी वन ऑफ द फेवरेट कौन सी?
मेरी एक्चुअली 2-3 जो फेवरेट्स बहुत थी, जो कपूर एंड सन्स मुझे बहुत बहुत अच्छी लगी थी। उड़ता पंजाब, आई इवन लाइक ए दिल है मुश्किल अ लॉट। देन मुझे याद भी नहीं आ रहा है, सुल्तान मुझे याद है मैंने बहुत इन्जॉय किया था। मुझे याद है बहुत समय के बाद थिएटर में बैठ के मैं इन्जॉय कर रहा था, एक कमर्शियल पॉपकॉर्न फिल्म में इन्जॉय कर रहा था। एंड देन उसी साल एक और फिल्म दंगल का आना, जो सेम काइंड ऑफ स्पोर्ट के लिए था, बट वो इतनी अलग थी और रियल थी, एंड वो भी बहुत कमाल की फिल्में थी। तो बहुत बहुत अच्छी फिल्में आई हैं इस साल।
आपने कहा आप नए हैं इंडस्ट्री में अभी कंपेयर टू मेनी अदर्स, बट देन आपकी फिल्में मोस्टली फेस्टिवल फिल्म्स हैं, आप कान चल चुके हैं, आप उस तरह की फिल्में की हैं, तो आईफा आप क्या बैलेंस करना चाहते हैं, लाइक कमर्शियल एंड?
मैम मेरे हाथ में कम है और बनाने वालों के हाथ में ज़्यादा है। मैंने अभी भी जो फिल्में की है, चाहे वो मसान हो, जुबान हो या रमन राघव, वो सारे मैंने ऑडिशंस दिए हैं और फिर मुझे वो फिल्म मिली है। ऐसा नहीं था कि मेरे पास 10 का ऑप्शन था और मैंने चूज़ किया। आई फील ब्लेस्ड कि वो फिल्में मेरे हाथ आई और मुझे करने का मौका मिला। बट इस साल आ रही हैं कमर्शियल फिल्में, मेरे लिए भी वो काफ़ी अच्छा चेंज था। जो एक अगली फिल्म आ रही है लव पर स्क्वायर फुट, जो रॉनी स्क्रूवाला प्रोड्यूस कर रहे हैं और आनंद तिवारी डायरेक्ट कर रहे हैं, वो रोमांटिक कॉमेडी है। तो मेरे लिए भी नया था वो करना, तो अच्छा खासा नाच गाना सब कुछ किया है उसमें, कॉमेडी तो अच्छी कोशिश थी। और अभी जो बायोपिक की शूट चल रही है तो वो है।
सो जैसे आपने बायोपिक का जिक्र किया, संजय दत्त की भी बायोपिक आ रही है, तो कितना एक्साइटेड आप?
मैं तो मेरे लिए तो मैं अपना सपना जी रहा हूँ। मैं तो कई बार मैं पिंच करता रहता हूँ बीच शूट के कि ये सचमुच में यहीं खड़ा हूँ, सचमुच में इनके साथ काम कर रहा हूँ, और बहुत सीखने को मिल रहा है। और ब्यूटी सबसे ज़्यादा उस टीम की ये है कि सारे जो भी अटैच्ड हैं, चाहे वो हिरानी सर हो, अभिजात जोशी जी हो, विधु विनोद चोपड़ा जी हो, रणवीर हो, सारे बहुत डाउन टू अर्थ हैं, यू नो, और अपने कला की बहुत कदर करते हैं, यू नो, होमवर्क करके आते हैं और बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिल रहा है उनसे।
सो संजय दत्त को अभी हाल ही में नॉन बेलेबल वारंट मिला है, तो कुछ कहना चाहेंगे इसके?
मैम मुझे इस बारे में कुछ भी नहीं पता। आईफा यार मुझे तो सचमुच नहीं पता था इस बारे में। रियली? उस बारे में मैं क्या बोलूँ उस बारे में अब मुझे पता भी नहीं है। थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू, गुड डे।
कोई नहीं, कभी नहीं।
बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ. Firstly, it's my first time to New York, so I'm really excited that IFA is happening in New York. It's going to be a lot of fun, and I think IFA it's more like एक फेस्टिवल टाइप हो जाता है, फिल्म फेस्टिवल टाइप हो जाता है, जिसमें सब लोग हम यहाँ से इंडस्ट्री से सारे के सारे मिलके कहीं बाहर मिलते हैं और सेलिब्रेट करते हैं सिनेमा को. So I'm very excited and I'm performing, so that's going to be even more exciting for the first time.
But do you believe in awards or rewards?
Believe in awards or rewards, I don't know actually. You can't term it, but yeah, of course it is good to be appreciated. We all work really hard, and everyone likes to be appreciated for their performance, for the hard work that they've put in. So any kind of appreciation is good, yeah, whether it comes in the form of just fans praising you, or box office numbers, or awards, or critics, anything would do.
So if you asked to go for trailer launch of Ramda?
Yes, very excited, very thrilled and nervous, and this is the day I've been waiting for pretty much a very long time. But I really hope that you all like it. It's something special, and it's something that we all have again worked really hard on.
Kriti, you didn't have a release last year. So which are your favorite 3 films? And if you were given a choice to pick like your favorite actors and actresses, who would it be for last year?
Favorite 3 films. Actually, I was really surprised because Dangal was not there as a part of this list. But I think I liked Urta Punjab, I liked MS Dhoni, and I liked Kapoor and Sons. So for me, these three are very different from each other. So that again.
Say a national one.
I've not seen Neerja, so I can't comment on it. I've heard really good things about it, and I really want to watch it. But I can't say my favorite film because I've not seen it.
And favorite hero and heroine, like actor?
And I think Alia for Urta Punjab, I think she was fab. And Again, I've not seen Neerja, so I've heard really amazing things about Sonam, so I'm sure she was really good. In Men, I think I loved Shah Rukh Khan as Gaurav in Fan, and I think Sushant did a great job as MS Dhoni. So yeah, these two.
Does it bother you there is some gap between two releases? Like, since there was no release, does it like...
No, it doesn't bother me, you know, as long as, because I was constantly working. So for me, I was, had I been like not doing anything, sitting at home, I get very restless. But because I was constantly working, I've finished Rabta and Bareilly Ki Barfi. I'm just left with like about 2-3 songs of Bareilly Ki Barfi. And that's also going to release in July. So I'm going to, for a change, have back-to-back releases. But yeah, it's the release of the film is not in my hands, unfortunately.
So anything else would you like to share with the viewers and that you're watching it for now?
Well, for now, because I'm just thrilled about IFA and I'm thrilled about the Rabta trailer tomorrow. So I hope you guys watch both and you guys like both.
Okay.
See, Kirti kahan se aaya ye?
Come on.
Yeah.
लास्ट क्वेश्चन कितना एंजॉय कर रही हैं मुंबई की गर्मी आज जैसे कि आप
जितना आप एंजॉय कर रहे हैं जितना आप एंजॉय कर रहे हैं
चाहेंगे इस गर्मी से बचने के लिए
No, but I don't like winters, so I'm more of a summers person. But yeah, I prefer Delhi summers over Bombay summers. Just wear like airy clothes like I'm wearing right now. It's all khulla. And and drink lots of water, drink nariyal pani, keep yourself cool, comfort over style any day. So yeah, that's all.
I know the Rabta trailer releases tomorrow, so I'm pretty sure you've shown it to your friends and family. What were
I have not shown it to my friends and family. I don't have the trailer with me.
Okay, but what was the reaction and how
Whose reaction?
difficult was it for you to prep up for this? You've done a lot of action in the film.
Yeah, not a lot, but there's a section that has action. So yeah, action, although it is very exciting because somehow I've always wanted to do it and it makes you feel a little stronger when you're doing it, when you learn all that. But it's very difficult and I've got to like bruise. There are so many marks that Rabta has given me on my legs which I have to conceal every time I move out. But it's been a great experience. I think the whole film, you know, no matter how much of like difficult times we've had or worked in places which were not that shooting friendly, but it's been a fab experience.
Anyone from your family or film industry, you want to show the trailer first before the trailer goes out?
My sister's seen it. She really loved it, but I would assume that she's biased towards me. But yeah, you guys watch it and please let me know how you like it.
So like, how's Sushant as a host?
He's fabulous, yeah. He's someone who keeps you, he's an amazing actor, so he really keeps you on your toes. And because he's so much into like homework, I would say. Like he really gets into the skin of the character and he really like does a lot of homework in detail of what he's going to do. But I think one thing I really like about him is that it's a great give and take. And you know, when you're acting with someone who's a good actor, I think your performance also betters. And you guys need to sort of react to each other instead of just performing for yourself.
But how do you personally deal with rumors and controversies?
Ignore them. Yeah.
Alright. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, New York. Thank you guys. Thank you, ma'am.
Guys, come on.
इस बार आईफा के लिए आप कितने एक्साइटेड हैं और क्या कुछ स्पेसिफिक प्लान होने वाला है आपका?
हमेशा ही बहुत एक्साइटेड रहता हूँ क्योंकि मुझे याद है जब मैं कॉलेज में था और शामा के साथ मैं शामा के ग्रुप में डांस करता था, तो 2005 था और 2006 था जब मैंने पहली बार एज अ बैकग्राउंड डांसर आईफा में परफॉर्म किया था। और तब से मेरे लिए बहुत मायने रखता है ये वर्ड। 2013 में भी जब मेरी फिल्म रिलीज़ हो रही थी पहली, उसके जस्ट उस समय भी आईफा ने मुझे चांस दिया एक बार एज एन एक्टर दिस टाइम।
to perform, and obviously I'm performing this time too, so really looking forward to it.
Sushant, last year your film Dhoni was one of the most talked about films and your performance was really appreciated. Did you have any expectation of the National Award, and now do you have any expectations from IFA?
No, the thing is that my job is done on the last day of the shoot of the film. A very, very selfish actor. I'm just concerned about the kind of experience I have while shooting with the film. I just don't care about the box office numbers, as I'm being extremely honest to you. And yeah, if you get some kind of a validation from somebody likes your work and gives you a statue, like you'll feel good about it at that point of time. But that's about it. I'm not looking forward to anything. It's just the experience of just shooting for the film is what is the most important thing.
And you're here to vote at the IFA voting weekend.
Yeah,
so
I voted for myself.
You voted for yourself? Okay, so I was not going to ask you to reveal your vote, but what were the other films and performances you liked last time?
There were like many very good films that I saw. Like Baar Baar Dekho, I was very impressed with. Obviously Nirja and Aligarh, Neil Bhattasanara, all these films. Even the performances in these films were really great. Yeah.
Hi Shubha. Will you be performing also?
Yeah?
Performing over there in IFA?
Yes.
Yeah. And most important factor, you will be performing on your song or you will be performing on other songs? Some tribute to some...
Unfortunately, I've just done 4.5 films till now. All the films don't have dancing numbers.
Will it be like tribute sort of to some...
So we've not locked it yet, but it won't be my songs because my songs, you can't dance on those songs.
Will you reveal something from Rafta and IFA?
I think the trailer is coming out tomorrow. And 9th of June is when it's releasing, so it'll be out before.
You have done a lot of prep for Rafta. You actually, for the action scenes and all. Tomorrow the trailer is coming out. Tell us about the difficulties that you faced throughout the shoot.
Why would there be any difficulties? I mean, like I do this job because there's nothing else that I like doing more than this. And I dropped out of my college. I was doing something for 18 years and discovered something that I really like, dropped out of my college. So I have no complaints whatsoever. Yeah, I'm like slogging for hours trying to understand the character and cultivate the skills and all. Yeah, I'm like, you have to do that. But at the same time, when you really like it, then you don't get to know that you're working hard. And that is was the most important thing. So probably you should just do what you like doing.
Also, so I was scrolling through your Twitter and I found this. You said, for this girl, though it was not eating that mattered, but flight. Like, what's that about?
So that's the thing from Bach, Jonathan Livingstone, the book. Right. So yeah, so exactly what it says. It's slightly rhetoric. It says that it's not the box office numbers. It's not what happens after the Friday release that matters. I mean, obviously, like it has its repercussions, but it is just the flight of that bird. It's just saying yes to a film, preparing for the film, and then exploring while shooting for the film, and experiencing is why I do what I do.
Sushant, you did a Vyomkesh Bakshi, so that is a franchise in Bengali literature. So is there a plan to continue that, or is there a lined up?
Well, there was a plan when I signed it, but I'm not a producer, so I don't know. But yeah, obviously they took the rights of all the 31 stories of Sharad Hindu. So yeah, the plan was there at that point of time, but I don't know. Things change.
Sushant, you mentioned few films right now you really liked last year. So the actors really appreciated and they're rooting for.
Manoj Vajpayee in Aligarh, for sure. And Mr. Bachchan in Pink. And Shah Rukh in Fan. Amir in Dangal. And Sonam, Nirja. And even Anushka in that film. So yeah, all these. And Swara Bhaskar.
सुशांत, क्योंकि हमने देखा कि आपकी लास्ट फिल्म एमएसडी लोगों को बहुत ही पसंद की गई, तो इन फ्यूचर और भी किसी स्पोर्ट पर्सन या कोई लेजेंडरी एक्टर के ऊपर कोई
ऐसा काम करते हैं 10 साल बाद अपनी बायोपिक में काम करेंगे।
आपके अलावा और भी जैसे आप चाहते हैं कि आपकी और भी मैं करूं किसी के ऊपर, या आपकी ऐसी कोई दिली इच्छा?
नहीं, अभी 2-3 साल तो बड़ी मेहनत लगी थी दोनों में करने में, so अभी 2-3 साल आराम से रोमांटिक फिल्म करते हैं, उसकी बात करेंगे।
गर्मी का मौसम चल रहा है
उसके बाद में कुछ सॉरी गाइस ये मेरा असाइनमेंट है
मैं गर्मी पे आंसर नहीं कर सकता, मैंने जैकेट पहन लिया, बड़ा अजीब सा लगा मैं क्या क्वेश्चन क्या था?
तो कुछ किस तरह से टैकल करते हैं आप गर्मी के मौसम को, और कुछ टिप्स देना चाहेंगे जो?
मैं मेहनत करके पैसे कमा के एयर कंडीशन खरीदता हूँ और अपने घर और अपने कार में एयर कंडीशन लगाता हूँ और जैकेट पहनता हूँ घर में। I'm not very. I was having my chutti, regular chutti, so I am not very informed on who got what. Obviously, I didn't get because nobody called me, but yeah, I have to go through the list to actually give my opinion. But any which ways, any awards, they're like there's a group of jury, and it's a very subjective. I think film watching and also acting and performances, all these things are very, very abstract things, and it's a very subjective thing. So we can't say that, okay, if these awards endorse these actors or films, so this is it. I mean, like, that's their subjective point of view. That's it.
Ishaq, your body transformation is something getting off-struck on the social media a lot. So is this something you enjoy a lot?
Follow me?
Most of the girls are loving you.
Thanks.
So,
That was the intention.
what do you say about your transformation? Is it something for the film or something you?
Yeah, obviously, it's in the so the film that I was doing, I'm doing right now, Drive, Tarun Mansukhani's film. So in that film, I was supposed to be slightly lean, but this is the first stage of my next film. That's Channa Mama Durke. That's going to start in next 2 months, and yeah, so in that film. It is mandatory for me to have a very, very great athletic kind of physique because astronauts are like. So we will show the entire making of astronaut in that film. So yeah, the physical appearance means a lot.
Sushant, there was a humdrum around nepotism recently in Bollywood. So have you ever faced something like that, or what is your take on that?
See, I can only say through my experience and. I think in 2011, in October, I decided to quit TV. And I was thinking of going somewhere else, but in the next 3 months, I got Kai Poche. And from then onwards till now, all the films that I've released and all the films that I've signed for next 1.5 years, these are the films that I really wanted to do. Not because there were like no options, but these are the films that I really, really wanted to do. So having this luxury of choosing the kind of scripts and projects out of many, so I cannot complain. So it's my personal experience. Having said that, well, yes, nepotism is there and it's there, it's everywhere. It's just not in Bollywood. And so yeah, so you can't do anything about it. But yes, if so nepotism can coexist and nothing would happen, but at the same time, if you deliberately don't allow right talents to come up, then there's a problem. Then the whole structure of the industry would collapse one day. But till then, it's fine. Nepotism can coexist with all the talented people also slowing at the same time, and you'll get wonderful films because they will be competing with each other, and that would raise the performance. So that's not a problem.
All right, thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Schooling, I used to avoid these questions. Compare this with that. This is it was a very elaborate answer.
IFA has created its identity.
So I answered that. That was my first answer. It's got a very special place in my heart because for an introvert like me, who would not talk for first 18 years of his life, suddenly he's on stage and is dancing behind all these great, wonderful superstars. He's dancing behind Shah Rukh and Hrithik and all in 2005 and 6, and that was the first time I realized that wow, this feels so good. And that was IFA 2005-2006, and so yes, it's got a very special place, and always with IFA.
Thank you, guys. Thank you.
न्यूयॉर्क सिटी दुनिया में मेरे फेवरेट सिटीज़ में से एक है, सो आई एम रियली लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू इट. हर साल आईफा अवार्ड्स अपने आप को नए जगहों में ले जाने की कोशिश करता है और भी बेहतर होने की कोशिश करता है, एंड आई थिंक इट्स अ वंडरफुल अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर अस टू cut across the globe and go to the wonderful city of New York to celebrate Indian cinema. And I think there's a very interesting melting pot of shared experiences that people in creative spaces are encouraging, and that is being witnessed in various platforms, be it television, film, basically multimedia, and it's really wonderful. I'm actually looking forward to seeing Priyanka in New York City and personally experiencing the love and the affection that she has garnered for herself in America. I think it'll be wonderful.
What are you rooting for this time?
It's last year was a very interesting year for cinema. Many very socially relevant topics were explored through the various narratives. Some of my favorite films from last year were Dangal, Pink, Neerja. There are many more to name, but these were my top 3 favorite films. It's going to be tough to vote right now because there's just been such an incredible body of work at display, and I hope we continue to grow like this and audiences continue to enjoy and love meaningful, socially relevant, good films.
We are going to be seeing you the Nudat's biopic very soon. So how is it going?
It's going really well. I just completed my last day of work a few days ago, and it's really a privilege and an honor to work with such a wonderful set of people. Mr. Rajkumar Hirani has directed me before in Lage Raho Munna Bhai. It was really nice to be back on his film set. But more than anything else, it's just the combined forces of talent that form, the making of this film, and I can't wait for us to have the opportunity to reveal more about it. Right now, we're all tight-lipped about what we're doing. The only thing I can say is that it's a privilege and an honor and an absolute joy to be working on the Sanjay Dutt biopic.
Did you have any opportunity to interact with Sanjay Dutt?
Of course.
Any of sort of words you had with him?
Sanjay sir is happy that I'm doing the film, and that means a lot to me. We've shared a very warm relationship over the years. I've done a few films with him in the past, and I'm just really happy that he was happy I was doing the film.
Yeah, we've seen, Ranveer.
You should not have seen that. It was leaked by the media, and we were shooting that day, and I have to admit that it was upsetting because it was a look that we were saving to reveal much later. And while we are very enthused by the response from the public, which has been fantastic, we do wish that the media had respected the privacy of the film and not revealed those pictures. Bad people. Yes, but the media wasn't invited to take pictures.
Yeah, but how is it to work with Ranveer, and people are being like recently Ashrat said that he saw him in workshops and he's amazing as Sanju. So
Ranveer is amazing. There's no two ways about it. It's been a learning curve to work with him. He is supremely talented, and it's just such a joy and privilege to watch him at work and work with him. But I have to say that Ranbir Kapoor has possibly one of the finest temperaments I've ever worked with. That says a lot about a person.
You didn't think Manyata Dutt in the film, so has Manyata watched any of the shots or did she come on the set when you were shooting? What was her reaction?
I don't want to talk about that.
Alright, we'll just stick to to IFA now. Any more questions on IFA? Anything? All right. Thank you.
I look forward to seeing
Thank you.
you guys in New York. Thank you for being
Another
here.
nice photo. Yes.
Ma'am, here. Ma'am, here on.
You want media wise to do that first or you want the voting?
हाँ चलो तब तक हम लोग कैमरा अंदर लगा लेंगे
ट्रॉफी विद ट्रॉफी हां और आले स्ट्रेट रहमान इधर आले जी राइट में आले मैम आले स्ट्रेट आले लेफ्ट आले लेफ्ट में आले लेफ्ट आलिया लेफ्ट गयो आलिया सेंटर आलिया शिल्पा जी साथ में दिया साथ में
आईफा न्यूयॉर्क में होगा और मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ क्योंकि क्या है आईफा एक ऐसा अवार्ड फंक्शन है जो सिर्फ फिल्म एक्टर्स को और उनके काम को सेलिब्रेट नहीं करता, एक मौका भी देता है एक्टरों को कि इंडिया से बाहर जाके अपने हॉलिडे को भी सेलिब्रेट करें. तो आई रियली थिंक आंद्रे एंड द एंटायर विजक्राफ्ट टीम मेक्स इट पॉसिबल फॉर अस टू एक्चुअली गेट अ ब्रेक and have fun with the fraternity.
So, which was your favorite movie in 2016 and 17?
You know, honestly, 16-17 has really had some really amazing films, and Udta Punjab, Dear Zindagi, Ae Dil Hai Mushkil. I really have Pink, so some really great work. Dangal, which is not in the nominations, I heard, but yeah. But I really think 2016 and 17 has seen some great work. Yeah.
The actors you're rooting for?
I can't say that. I can't say that. If I'm going and voting, I can't tell you whether it's Congress or BJP or whatever. You know what I'm saying? Can't. You have to wait and watch.
So, what are you looking forward to? Any performances? Like, you are there certainly.
No, you know what? I have performed at IFA. And I have not just performed on stage, I've also performed yoga. So IFA is one of those award functions that has seen a transition and helped me with that transition as well. So Madrid mein I actually took an entire yoga class. We did an event and it was hugely successful. And I'm really looking forward because Wizcraft is really like family. And they've been with me in my journey. And I've seen IFA grow from strength to strength, and it's really amazing.
Thank you.
Okay?
Thank you.
आप क्या?
समर सीजन स्टार्ट हो चुका है और आप क्या टिप्स देना चाहेंगे, क्या कहना चाहेंगे वेडिंग के मौके पर?
उसके लिए समर टिप्स के लिए जाइए theshilpashetty.com पे जहाँ पे मैं बहुत सारे टिप्स दे रही हूँ. कैसे खाना खाना चाहिए, कौन सा लेमनेड पीना चाहिए, कैसे बनाना चाहिए उस लेमनेड को, और कैसे अपने आप को फिट भी रखना चाहिए. बाय बाय. Oh, and happy Easter, guys!
आई थिंक ये सीक्रेट बैलेट है ना, वो बता नहीं सकते. सॉरी, मैं बता नहीं सकती, पर मैंने अच्छा वोटिंग किया आई थिंक. एक्चुअली इट्स माई फर्स्ट टाइम एट आईफा, सो आई एम रियली एक्साइटेड क्योंकि अभी ऑलमोस्ट 5 साल हो गए मुझे इंडस्ट्री में आए हुए, एंड आई एम नॉट बिन टू आईफा येट. और एक्चुअली मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि द ईयर आई एम गोइंग हम लोग न्यूयॉर्क जा रहे हैं. तो ये तो और द वेट हैज बिन फ्रूटफुल. शॉपिंग प्लान्स तो मतलब हमेशा ही बने रहेंगे, नो मैटर वेयर आई एम, व्हाट आई एम डूइंग. बट आई थिंक बहुत काम होगा तो ज्यादा टाइम शायद ना मिले. बट आई मीन यू आर देयर तो डेफिनेटली टाइम बनाना पड़ेगा. I am performing, yes. I just need to know if I can say it. Yeah, I am performing.
So will it be more your numbers only or some other?
I am not decided yet, but I get little bored performing to my own songs constantly. So I'll try and do something different, maybe a mix of my songs and some other songs. Let's see. तो मैं बहुत खुश हूँ उड़ता पंजाब को प्रेज किया है तो मैं बहुत खुश हूँ ऑब्वियसली मैं खुद प्रेज नहीं करूँगी मैं बस थैंक यू कहूँगी
एक ऐसे ट्रिप में जाना जहाँ पे आपके काम को सराहा जा रहा है सारे अवार्ड्स में यू आर देयर एंड तो कहते हैं ना वर्क कम
प्लेजर आई थिंक जब आप अपने वर्क से काम से इतना प्यार करते हो इट डजंट एवर फील लाइक वर्क सो फॉर मी इट्स ऑलवेज अ प्लेजर टू बी वर्किंग वेयरएवर आई एम वर्किंग
Does it bring back fond memories of the Dream Team tour?
Actually, I've not thought about it, but yeah, I think because we did go to New York and I mean, we went to New Jersey and we were in New York and all that. But I think IFA is going to be a full new experience altogether. And I've always heard such lovely stories of IFA because everybody goes there together. Everybody's eating and drinking and chilling and, relaxing together and performing and being creative. And I think it's a great space to get together and at the same time celebrate the Indian film industry and the movies that we stand for and that we make. So I think it's good and I'm really glad that it's my first time. So first time is always special.
You're a prodigy in the correct meaning of it because in your second year you had won the award for Highway, the Critics Award if I'm not wrong, and this year you won all the awards. Do you have a sense of fulfillment today when in a span of 4 years you've achieved what most of your contemporaries can't achieve?
No, I don't think I feel fulfilled at all. It's very boring, to feel fulfilled at any point. So there's no fulfillment, but there's definitely a lot of gratitude for the opportunities that I've gotten.
और कौन से एक्टर को ये आईफा का अवार्ड जीतते हुए देखना चाहेंगे आप मेल फीमेल?
Eventually घूम फिर के वापस अवार्ड की क्वेश्चन पे आ गए ना. May the best man win.
A lot was said when a film like Airlift was missed out on a particular awards ka nomination list. This time when at the national awards, when a film like Urta Punjab didn't get the recognition it deserved, did it feel bad? I'm not talking about you not getting an award, obviously you said that there are no insecurities. But when a film like Urta Punjab doesn't get the necessary recognition at a platform like National Awards, does it?
No, yeah, because honestly, at the end of the day, when the film released, it got that recognition and appreciation from the people. So I think that's a big example of the fact that it was accepted. And it's not like, of course, national awards are very, very prestigious, but that doesn't take away from whatever it did achieve. And it's not like, "Arey, hame kyun jitaya nahi?" Like, we didn't ever make a film for that purpose. So that's okay. If you're not, an award is when you're being rewarded for your efforts. And I'm sure all the people who have won have put in that effort, so they've been rewarded for it. So you shouldn't ever feel spiteful for somebody else's win. I think that's the wrong way of looking at it.
All right, thank you. Guys, come for the photo.
कहाँ?
Ahead, a little ahead.
फोटो मतलब कैमरा हो
कैमरा
इस तरफ
कहाँ आगे पीछे वायर के साथ मैं गिर जाऊंगी ठीक है Say hi. Yeah. Shake my hand. Nice.
पीछे हो जाता.
What's your name? Huh?
Guys, please.
Yes, guys.